Hey yo, what's up guys? How are you? I hope you're all doing fine. I'm back again with another summer haul, and this time is from Shein. This is the final summer haul that I'm gonna be doing for this here because summer is almost over, the weather is almost getting sad, so we need to be jumping up to hotel. Is it hotel? I can't even spell. I can't pronounce that, so forgive me for pronouncing it the wrong way. But anyway, let's jump into this haul. This is a Shein haul. Let me just guys show you. I bought quite a lot of few stuff. Some of them are mixture of holiday stuff because I am going for my holiday very soon. I'm going to for my birthday, and I got these things in case I need them. If I don't need them, I'm gonna be giving them away. Yeah, it's quite a lot. You see, it's quite a lot. Oh, it's falling. So anyway, let's jump into the haul. Anyway, the first dress is this white dress. It's already out. The first one is this white dress. It's already out, guys. Yeah, it's already out. I think it's just begging for me to fit on it, and it's literally white. And we love some white dress. Hey, we love some white dress, guys. Anyway, let's try this dress. I think I should not have started this white dress, but anyway, let's just start with this white dress. Oh my god, guys. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, guys. I'm dying. I love a good white dress. I need to cut this. It's from Shein Bay. I don't have anything to cut it, but I don't have anything to cut it, guys. But guys, this is how the dress looks like. It has a slit. I'm not sure even you can see me. Look, a slit, a side slit. It hugs the body. Oh my god, I feel like a goddess. Here, let me just show you the back. That's how it looks like at the back. It's her open back, guys. I'm ready to go for a date. Please take me for a date. Take me for a date. I feel so sexy. I feel so sexy. Hey, summer, please don't end. Hugs my body, hugs my booty, and you know what? Feels so good. Let's go back to the next dress. So I think I should have sized down because it's a bit baggy around my waist area. I'm not wearing any undies, but guys, the material feels good. It's not transparent at all. Even the other white dress was not transparent. Yeah, so I think I'll give this one out for anyone who wants to wear something like this. If not that, I'm gonna wait for a holiday, then maybe give it out to someone who has like a bigger booty than me or a bigger waist than me, because but this feels good. This is amazing. I love my tummy out there, guys. Anyway, I love it, guys. If you want to buy it, guys, I'll be linking the link below for Shein. Yeah, anyway, let's go to the next dress. I'm back again. This is the next dress, guys. It's the brown, and I love the way it hugs my body. This feels so good, guys. This feels so good. I love it. Yes, this line, if you want to shorten it, you can shorten it like that, make it a bit short, but I love it a bit long. I love the front, guys. You can see I'm obsessed with the front, the gaps at the front, and I'm obsessed with these strings. These are looks at the back. Looks so good. I love it, guys. I love it. And this one fits so good. The material is a bit not as stretchy as the one below, but I think I don't know, but we shall figure it out, guys. So yeah, I feel beautiful. I feel good. I feel ready for that picture. Anyway, let's go next to the next dress. Hey, I'm back again with the next dress. It's a black, it's not a dress, it's a skirt and a top. I feel like cutting it short because it's quite long, guys. It's really long, and I'm not sure it doesn't have any slits, so I think maybe I can cut slits side by side, then I cut a slit, then to be like side by side, then I'll be able to walk. What do you think, guys? I'll cut slit, then I'll be able to walk. Anyway, this is how it looks. Material looks good. It's not transparent, hugs everything. I love it. I bought it because of these two lines. I thought that looked so good, but I don't know. I'm gonna cut slits so that I can be able to walk, but I love a good dress. Nowadays, I think you can just see the mood. I'm going towards longer dresses. But anyway, we shall see. I'll cut it, then maybe I'll update you how it looks. Let's jump into the next dress. I think I love white. I have a dress like this that is white, but it's long sleeved. But yeah, this is black. I don't like the way it looks here. But anyway, it was, I think, 5 quid. Some of these dresses were quite cheap. But anyway, this is how it looks like. If you want this dress, I'm gonna give it away, guys. I'm gonna give it away. I'm not gonna wear it, so there's no need of keeping some of these dresses. This is how it looks on the back. It's not bad. It's amazing, but I'm not feeling it. I'm not feeling it at all. So if you like the dress, just comment below, and I'm gonna give it away. So yeah, it says medium. It's a bit stretchy. It's a bit stretchy. But anyway, let's go to the next dress. The next dress. It's a beachy, colorful dress, guys. It's good for dinner or something when you're in that holiday. It has slits on the side, and yeah, I love it. I love the material. It feels so soft, and you can wear this one in any way you want, guys. It's a beautiful skirt at the top. So yeah, let's try to do the next outfit. That kind of event that you just want to show up. It's a party event. You want to show up and show up and show them, you know what? You got this kind. The kind of stuff that you wear. It's quite long. It's a long skirt. It comes with undies, guys. This undies is built in. I love it. It's literally, it's like a thong. It's like a bikini with a cover up. But these undies, the bottom come together with the skirt. This is how it looks like. It's so good on the back. So amazing, guys! I can't wait to wear these things when I go on holidays. Just wait to go on that holiday, then you rock it, my man. So this is the last outfit, guys. I love the color. I bought it because of the color. I love it, but I don't know how I feel about it, but I love it, guys. This one I can wear when I go to see. I'm visiting my mom, maybe. Yeah, I love it. I'm not feeling it. But anyway, it's a lovely outfit. I love the top so much. Yeah, the material is like kind of satinish. I don't know, but I just love the color. The color is so amazing. I wish the material could be like a bit like this would be lovely. But I don't like how the material feels on my skin. But anyway, it's a lovely outfit. And apart from that, guys, thank you so much for watching this video till the end. This is the final summer haul for this year. I'll do another one next year because now it seems like summer is all gone for us people in UK. And thank you so much, guys. If you love any of the dresses, if you love any of the outfit, guys, comment below, guys. Let's interact. Tell me what you want me to do next. But it's a wrap of summer haul from now till 2025 next year. And bye. See you in my next video.